platinum diamond men's band under 2,000 Canadian dollars is what I'm going to ship out today to someone in Ottawa, Canada. Myself, Hemant Thakur, your diamond expert from All Is Wells, based in India, has managed to save a great amount of deal for this gentleman from Ottawa. Now, how is that possible? If you break down this band into three components, the 80% of it goes behind diamonds. The remaining 10 to 15% goes behind metal and making charges. So sourcing the diamond from the right place is of utmost importance. And where else other than Bharat Diamond Bourse, which is the biggest diamond market in the world, which supplies 9 out of 10 diamonds in the world, you can get the best deal. Our expert guidance helps you select the diamonds with the help of right tools under right lighting condition. Our inspection allows you to select the right diamonds of exact precise requirement as per your requirement, and if you agree to the estimation, then you can make the payment and we will actually make the band or the piece of jewelry that is as per your requirement. Now this band, the particular, the party required a particular weight of the band, particular shape of diamonds like the princess cut diamond, and wanted something engraved inside the ring. Now all this in few working days we managed to make, and now is going to get securely delivered right from Mumbai to Canada. So isn't that amazing? In few working days and step-by-step process, you are able to understand, know what you're going to get, and that will help you save a great amount of deal. That is my promise and guarantee, which none of your local or online jeweler can offer you. So if that interests you, then reach out to me. With an initial fee of $10, as an inspection fee, I prepare a detailed estimation and I share it with you. I offer various choice of diamonds, various options of metal quality, so you can pick one and you can place the order, and we will ship it directly to you, insured and secure. We are members of Gem and Jewelry Export Promotion Council and have affiliations in New York, Hong Kong, London, Belgium, Dubai. So you're buying from the right place. So save more and buy better, only possible through All Is Wells. Thank you.